here's I here's how I do the pangolin event. So today is um, carrier day, which is Friday. Okay, so it's a carrier day, as you may see. And to start with, right now I'm actually don't have a, good evolution for the carrier, as you may see. So instead of using carrier for the pangolin, I'm gonna use what I have, which is the strongest one that I have on my troops. So I'm gonna use shooter instead of carrier, because if I'm going to follow that carrier day, I will not have good damage to the pangolin. So I'm gonna use shooter. So I'm gonna use Azure, Crazy, okay, the AC, and Silver Saharan, and I'm gonna put it on front, and the CI, this Crematogaster inflata, I'm gonna put it on the middle. So this CI will copy the damage of this AC or Azure Crazy, not like full copy of the damage, but almost like 80% of the damage will copy of that. So I'm gonna put it in the middle, and this is, as you may see, a support. So I'm gonna put the T10 that I have here, and then I'm going to use buff, attack bonus, and oops, the defense bonus. And then I'm gonna make sure that on my mutation, this I have this damage dealt to wild creature, which is I use for the Saharan ants as the mutation buff. So you can see here in its squad experience and the damage dealt creature, you can see the extra buff for that. And for the attack, I put the last line, which is the Azure Crazy, and attack and defense for the CI. So if it's gonna be on Wednesday event, which is Guardian, I'm gonna cancel this out. This is what I have for Guardian. I have this white crystal, blue velvet, and the giant Joe. I'm gonna cancel this out and then put it here onto this spot, so that it can have a buff also for that day, on which is on Wednesday. But today is Friday, which is carrier, as I said earlier, which is um, the pangolin day today. But I also said that since I don't have much good upgrade for evolution on the carrier, so I'm gonna use the shooter instead of carrier. And then here on the reform full, um, this is the setup, the right setup for the shooter: attack, invasion attack, and of course this damage dealt pangolin. So as an example also for the guardian example, it is guardian today, so I'm gonna remove this and then apply it here if it's guardian day, the attack and pangolin day. So since shooter I'm gonna use for the pangolin today, I'm going to remove it, cancel it, and then put it here for an extra buff for good damage for the pangolin. Okay, all right, so now everything is set, it's here, and I have buff, so it's ready. So let's start rallying. So the remaining challenge is 15, so I'm gonna finish that all for today. So that's how I do the pangolin event from Wednesday. Guardian, I'm gonna use guardian, and I'm gonna use the strongest insect that I have for a better have more soldier into each slot, and for a better damage. So that's how I do the pangolin. I'm just gonna finish that until I'm done to the pangolin event. Okay, so that's how I do it. I just keep rallying it until I'm done. Okay, so that's all, and hope you learn from me. Okay, so every time that I'm going to do a pangolin, don't forget to change the mutation pool, this mutation, and whatever the strongest or higher buffs that you have, you can use it to change it here, cancel mutation, and put the one that you needed most into that day. And then also the reform full, okay, uh, set it up right there. So if it's like example groundhog day, I'm gonna use the invasion attack and then replace it into the groundhog day, this one, the first one, damage dealt to groundhog. Okay, so that's how I do it. And then once I'm done, and I'm gonna put it the like attack, like example, I'm done to doing the pangolin event, I'm just replacing it into the invasion defense, so that it's like ready to fight in the future. So that's it, guys. So I'm gonna put back the damage dealt pangolin and then finish the event. All right, so that's it, guys. Thank you.